Kung ako
Wow,
naman
ganda ng ambience dito, mga best love. Sali kayo at samahan nyo kami dito. Look at this, very inviting.
anak ng
Alam nyo guys, yung waves, no, mga tiny waves sa dagat, talagang bringing 1,000 meanings in our life, no? Very relaxing yung habang pinapanood mo sila. And then at the same time, pinapanood mo yung mga cloud, no, na nagpo-form ng iba't ibang imahe, no? Look at this, it's like a horse. Tingnan mo yung imahe ng cloud, no? Napakaganda. Unmeasurable happiness talaga. And yung mga imahe na napoform, no? So you can give 1,000 meaning. It is very lovely. See? Gandang-ganda talaga ako dyan. So let's keep going, mga loves. God bless everyone. Thanks